Ako po, maraming pera ay mas magiging masaya po ang buhay namin at mawawala po ang mga problema namin. So, I've learned that no one is exempted from life's problems. It was Tito Gary Valenciano who shared this. I confided in him kasi I was feeling exhausted. I was feeling discouraged and frustrated. Prayed for me. Jeremiah 10, for I know the plans I have for you. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Sobra po umagos yung luha ko. Ngayon po naiiyak ako. Naalala ko yung time na yun. Feeling ko, God, talk to me through Tito Gary.